ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Usamla evermore rambai ulasha Jied kumu President Thymmai jong ka Kiang Nangbah Government College Students Union nagbenta ka samoy terekam jong usnem arajar arpulai arajar arpusau hadien balapelong daga jingi thep vote hapo kani ka college haga arpu artarik unailor arajar arpulai hagani ka election Jied Nongkit kam Thymmai kidon khat artli ki post kat bagi samla puli ki bayakun yagini ki post kidon hadu lai pesan ngut kentop ya ki samla kentai bat shenrang na pedeng ki lai hajar nreus pa khat arngut ki samla puli jongka college ki balathep ya ki vote jongki kilong kumba 6,000 sanspa arpusaungut ka returning officer ka bapnya yagani ka election jongka union ka Dr. E.M. Bla kalapan scam ya ki Nongkit kam jongka union haga jingya donlang jong additional deputy commissioner jongka West Jied Hills district uba wan kraw kupar kharbuli bad kinong hikai
indoor arti dekar outdoor banker langsung social service
Vice President Adam Langtang General Secretary Pinshemi Siangcha Assistant General Secretary Dennis Shilla Student Editor Heborni Namare
Social Service Hilarity Boys Common Room Bante Scam Girls Common Room Obedience
President Adam Langtang GS Director Assistant GS Dennis Shilla Student Editor Heborni Namare Cultural Nahisabat Debate and Symposium Hamisan Pashalat
Social Service Hilarity Secretary Boys Common Room Bante Scam Secretary Girls Common Room satisfied.
Thymmai secure 718 votes. Mr. Ivanson Kupar Bamon secure 124 votes, and Mr. Mewat Lee Lambai secure 625 votes. I, Dr. Mrs. E.M. Bla, returning officer of the Nangbah Government College Student Union Election 23-24, do hereby declare Shri Evermore Rambai elected today, the 22nd September 2023, to the post of President of Nangbah Government College Student Union for the year 2023-24. I, Dr. Mrs. E.M. Bla, returning officer of the Nangbah Government College Student Union Election 23-24, do hereby declare Shri Meyaidon Langtang elected today, the 22nd September 2023, to the post of Vice President of Nangbah Government College Student Union for the year 2023-24. Pinshemi Siangcha secure 596 votes. Master Dayatre Langsana 682 votes, and Master Perkadlang Rosmut secure 160 votes. Hereby declare Shri Dayatre Langsana elected today of Nangbah Government College Student Union for the year 2023-24.
Master
having been duly elected
to the post of
Sketch cultural affairs, music and drama.
Student Union for the year 2023-24 do solemnly take oath of the office and I promise to abide by the letter and the spirit of the Constitution of the Union. I further promise to respect and maintain the discipline and prestige of the college. To all the elected members, and I congratulate you all, and I give you advice that you have to, as you have already taken oath, that you have to maintain the discipline of the college. And also, there will be teacher in charge for each of you, so you have to take the opinion of your teacher. So I will read out the teacher in charge, which you have to get the guidance and the advice from them. So as the leader of the student body, you should also show that you are good in studies. Not only good in the extracurricular, but also you should be that the student will look to you, so that you will be leading them into a right direction, a right path, and then you will be the one of the people who will show to the world that even though you are student body, but you have done your best in your academic field also. So we believe that this union will lead the college so that we will get the better leader for the student body. So I congratulate you once again. May God be with you, grant you knowledge, wisdom, understanding. As I have said, in this post which you are holding, as well as God will enlighten your mind, improve your memory, so that you will be better in your academic field.
It's a big thing, especially for the new members. It's a new thing for them, but also we also have those old members who have been re-elected. So a big congratulations to both of them. So as Principal Madam has already stated that you have a big responsibility to lead from the front, and as he has already told that it's equally important that you excel in academics, because you should go to priority. I mean, why you are here in the first place. But apart from that, even extracurricular activities also are very important. So by engaging yourself in these platforms, I mean, it could provide you with better avenues, okay, in the near future. Once you go out from college, doesn't matter where you will be, but since you have taken this step forward to be part, I mean, of a students' union, you could do well, in fact, could contribute well towards a larger society in the future. So that's all from my side. So big congratulations again to all. Thank you.
I have confidence in you that this team will do much more better. Okay? You in the previous union, you know how much you have done. And this time, you should lead and guide them in a more better way, okay? And you can contribute. And one more thing which is very important, what I think is this union, all of you academic background. Because those who have backup papers, they are not allowed to contest competition. Okay? So I want this group or this team to break a record. That in the Telugu exam, your name will be named in the examination. Okay? So that it will be so excited for us and for you. So I wish you all the best. And teachers in charge are there for you anytime you need us. And we work together.
Nangbah, BSc 5th semester Mathematics Department. Ini for senyau kemenau atau ada AP di student yang Kiang Nangbah yang kejing kercan, ada upoi kejing job. Saya bila kermen scam awal, ada kejing kercan ke yang pi, yang ye kerekam, yang ye yang pi ke college. Ni bentai bahai miat yang ke college ni, yang ye pendap yang kinuki, jing em kam yang ke college ni. Dan duit tiada ni, nak liang yang kamu presiden pada saat dia menikah ni, tu boleh cuba lagi.